Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here and hope that you guys are all doing good and staying safe and just being kind and loving to the people that need it right now and supporting. But yeah, I did come on here and say that. But further ado, let's get started. So today's video is a unboxing, of course. I did pick this up on a whim. I just texted my essay to see if it was available. I wasn't sure if it was going to be available, if it's hard to get, or what the case is. If it was available, it's kind of like another unicorn item. So I wanted to see if I was able to get it, if it was, because it wasn't in stock online. So I reached out to her and she said yes, she does have it. So I decided to get, can you guys guess what it is, all my luxury lovers? And also stay to the end because I'm going to be doing a Samorga kind of review. So yeah, this is what I got. It's beautiful box with the receipt, which I will link it down below in the description box. But I got the, can you guys guess? I'm sure you can because you can see the box or the dust bag and you probably know what it is. But I got the Toiletry 26. So you guys know last week I did the unboxing of the 19 and I knew I was going to get it, but I really wanted this size. I feel like the 19 might be too small for me. I am going to show you the difference. I did bring my 19 down just so I could show you guys. But look at how big this is. Like, you can see how big it is. It's got the hot stamp in here, right there. And I did purchase this through my essay in Louis Vuitton, the one I always go through. And she is amazing. This is the, I don't know if you can see it. That's the QR code if you want to know which one it is. The textile. But I love it because I guess you could wear this as a clutch, which I could totally see just throwing it under my arm, running into the store, getting what I need, or if I'm going to go out to dinner with my husband, I could totally use this as a clutch. That would be really cool if they did attach, like you were able to attach something to put around your wrist. How cute would that be? I think I would use it more, but still I love it because I could just throw it in when I'm traveling. I can just, when we're able to travel or when it's safe to travel, just throw everything in there and go. I think I'll use it for my toiletries because it is bigger. So, but I am going to buy a Samorga lining organizer for this so I don't ruin it. But I love it. I mean, here's the front, the back, the side. So let's kind of see what we can put in this other side. And then there's the Louis Vuitton right there. And it's made in Spain, which is cool. I don't know. I have this cute little headband, so that will fit in there. I have my phone, and that fits perfectly in there. So let's see. I could totally just throw my hair accessories in here. So you can see there's a lot more room, but it totally zips up. And you can totally zip it up. Let's put my detangler in there too. So like my hair products. So this is the Kevin Murphy Untangle. I love it. Let's see if it fits in here. And it does. Wow. So it's pretty roomy. You can totally zip it up. So when I travel, I could totally put my hair products in here. And it fits. You can fit a lot more. You can totally fit like a card case, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to take that out. So yeah, I do like how much space this has. And I'm excited to use this. It's just, get new things. It's like the best feeling. It's like, ooh. And it's so pretty. So I'm going to compare this one to my 26 that or the 19 that I just got and show you the comparison difference. I think I'm going to sell my 19 because honestly, I wanted it and then I got it and I'm like, I don't know if I'll really use it because it is really small. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But I'm just going to show you the difference. And there's a major difference. So this is the 19 and this is 26. As you can see, very big difference. If you look side by side, you can see the difference. I mean, it's like longer, and with height and width, it's bigger. So if you are deciding, I would say if you're kind of person that carries a lot of stuff, I would definitely go with a 26. But if you're someone that can carry light stuff, I would go with the 19. So yeah, I think these, I might just keep it. I don't know, because this would be cute just to throw in a travel bag. I have the Neverfull, so I could just throw those in there. But let me open them so you can see inside the difference. And there is a huge difference. I mean, I could probably fit my phone in here and maybe a card holder, and that is it. So the inside, and the inside of that. I mean, you can see there's not big. This one is huge. And I feel like it expands. So let me see. I can fit my phone in there. In the 19. So you can see. You can fit your phone in there, maybe a card holder and a lip gloss, so you could fit a little bit in there. You could probably fit like your little bit of makeup in here. And this is the 19. But the 26 is like, you can fit huge items in here. So I mean, there is a definite price difference between the two. So I'll link both of them down below just so you can check it out. But I feel like you get more with this. I mean, look at how tiny this one is. So it all depends on what you prefer. Let's see if like they're the same around. So this is the bottom. This is the sides. And this is the other side. And then that's the inside. So it all depends on what you prefer. If you prefer to carry a little, a lot, I definitely would go with this. I think I'm going to get more use out of this than I will with this, to be honest. I like to carry a lot of stuff because I'm a mom and I like to throw little things in here, and I still have a little one. So it's like, I think I would gravitate towards this more. But let me know what you guys think. Should I keep this or should I sell it? Like, what should I do? I'm definitely keeping this one because I love it and I know I'll use it. And like I said, I could totally just wear it with like this outfit. How cute would this be with like the clutch? I love it. Also, if you love my hair, let me know and I can totally do a tutorial on it. It took me like 5 minutes. It's really easy. If some of you guys don't know, I do hair, so. But I've been thinking about what I want to do with my channel. So I do hair, and I wanted to incorporate hair into this. But I also love luxury. So I think I'm just going to stick to luxury and hauls, and then sometimes add in hair. Like maybe like a review on a Dyson product or a hair tutorial or something like that. But I have other passions besides hair. Like I love luxury, I love fashion. So I think I'm going to focus more on that just because I love that. And I have it, my Instagram is all hair. So if you want to follow me there, I will link it in the description box or somewhere right here where you could see that. And I'll also link my unboxing of the 19 toiletry. So this is my receipt. I did order it. I just called my SA and she sent it to me. I'm trying to cover my card stuff. So that's my receipt. I do like purchasing in store. I don't know about you guys, but I do prefer that. I just love the interaction with other people. But yes, that is my favorite, is to go in store. And our store is open. It's not that close to me, but it's not too far. So I think I'm going to go in there maybe this month sometime just to go check out anything new that my SA might have. I am on the waiting list for 2 bags. So I can talk about that in a video. Yeah, but I'm excited. So next I'm going to show you the Samorga organizers I did get. And they shipped pretty fast, which I was surprised because I've never used them. Everybody talks so highly of them. So I got this Samorga organizer. And in the inside, I got it for my Neverfull and another bag I will be sharing in my next video. Comment down below if you want to see what I got. So it's an organizer, and it's got the little, you can put like a bottle of water, anything like that. It's got 2 pockets right here and 2 pockets right here. I don't know if you can see. It's very soft. I got one for a couple of my bags that I'm worried about getting dirty, but these came free in there, which is so cool. So I think these are like lipstick holders or card holders. You can put cards in there. It came with an orange one, and then it also came with this blue one, which is really cute. So it came with these. This one's more of a whiter one, so you can put your lip gloss in here, which I thought was really cute. And it came with this, and I got 2 other ones. But so far so good. I'm pretty happy with the Samorga organizers. They do feel really good and soft. They feel very... Okay, you guys, should I just open up my other item? Put it now or wait? I think I'll wait because, yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna wait. But yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm just grateful you guys are here. So if you like my content, feel free to subscribe. There'll be more content coming your way. I'm trying to just post once a week because I am working. So I'm trying to get in the groove, and I'm a mom and a wife, so it's like getting everything in the groove. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.